back to the channel. Toyota Celica GTS. Go time. So we just did the 6-speed MITSUBISHI.com little badge. Very nice. Sold quite a few of those. Thank you so much. All those orders have been filled. I appreciate you guys. What we're doing now is more interior stuff on my Toyota Celica GTS Turbo, which just fixed all your guys' Celica. We're gonna be installing, because I currently have the real basic. Actually, that's not true. I do have the upgraded Celica interior. I have the 2003 and plus, which it's darker here. If you don't have this, it's actually lighter. And this is darker. And then, believe it or not, that trim piece, it's actually a darker gray. Let's open up the sunroof real quick so we can get better lighting in there. Key in. There we are. Nice. Okay, better lighting. Perfect. So, this is, believe it or not, this right here, even though it's just like lighter gray, it is a darker gray on the 2003 to 2005, which I have a 2004. This is darker too. Your guys' is, if you don't have, it's really a light gray, which I dislike. It's one of the reasons I like the later years. Also, the clock is orange. Your ones, if you don't have a 2000, you can change that too. I can show you guys how to do that. That clock is usually green, and then the dials are different too. So, that being said, what I'm gonna do is install a ton of carbon fiber today. And you guys can do the same thing if you swing by MITSUBISHI.com. Look at that, that is so nice. Oh, I love that. Oh, it's so good. Man, absolute race car. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you what you get in the kit. Follow me on over to my boosted MR2. Okay, so inside your kit, you're gonna get a ton of carbon fiber pieces, 18 pieces. My tape is stuck on this, there we go. So first, this is gonna be the bezel right there. Then this will be my favorite right here. This is that center console. It also comes with the couple other pieces in here, but one of the big things is that little, where your sunglasses go. I cannot wait to have that carbon fiber. Watch this before and after. I'm so excited for this. It comes with the climate control, which is a really detailed, nice piece. It comes with the lower and this is the lower trim piece. This will be where your shifter selector is. It also comes with the window switch carbon fiber. This is gonna go where the sunroof was that we just did. Then we got the mirror control. I can't remember what. Oh, this is for the glove box. I think these might be the speaker ones. I forgot which one of those are. And then this is going to be on the side where your window switches are. Very, very, very excited for this huge kit. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you guys. You can get this whole kit on MITSUBISHI.com right now, literally right now. I'm going to clean it up. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. I'm going to get a nice light in here, and we're going to work from the center console outwards. No carbon fiber, right? It's down there. I've unwrapped it and unboxed it. Let's start with this piece right here. It's gonna be amazing. So I'm excited for that. It'll look good. First thing you do is you take one of these little wraps here and you lightly, do not rub too hard, just lightly brush it across to remove any grease or debris. So we'll do that first. Like that. So I went across, and then now what you're gonna do, I use a hair dryer. This is true. I have a heat gun, but I'm telling you, the heat gun melts stuff. This will not melt stuff. This just gets stuff really warm and tacky. I've used this for like 15 years on car parts. This is my same old hair dryer, and I like to use it because the heat gun, you can damage stuff, because I've done it. The heat gun gets too hot. It's meant to melt stuff pretty much. This just gets things warm and tacky. So what we're gonna do is get this thing warm up here, get it all warm, and then we'll warm the backing of that, and we'll just set it on there square and fair. Okay, next thing, you're gonna pull that off. See that? It's a very nice piece, really nice piece. Pull that off, be careful with it, and then you're gonna heat the backing of this. Bam, one done. Look at that, that's amazing. So again, first step, clean it with a little cleaner wipe. You do not need too much, just light. Then you heat it with the, everyone has a hair dryer. girls always have them. Hair dryer, and then you just pull the thing off there and put it on. Make sure you let it like sit smooth. You want it smooth and nice, very aesthetic. That is such a nice. It's a good piece. And then look at that, it matches that one and that one. Okay, we're gonna move on to the larger piece. Piece number 2. Sometimes it doesn't want to sit flush right away. Make sure I recommend starting middle, and then pushing it outwards. But if you start like on one side and lay it seems not always to line up right. So make sure that you do start on pick one side, and then I do post heat stuff, which it's kind of like a vinyl wrap, but it's not. It's just a carbon fiber overlay. Post heating would be to reheat it again, and then it warms up, and it can be a little bit more able to be sat properly. So do that one more time. So after this, I'm gonna heat it up one more time, push it, make sure it's all smooth, and then we'll move on to the climate ones over there. So I'll have to go get the climate one. We'll move on to the cigarette lighter area. Tip, be aware that some of this is a little bit of contouring. It's not just straight. So with this one, I would line up it does go like this, it arches. So I would line up the flat lower one piece, this piece first, and then push right here into it, and that looks really good. Dang. Okay, let's grab that next one over there. Remember, your best friend in this is probably your hair dryer. Heat it up before on the back, like of the actual plastic of the Toyota. Heat up the carbon fiber, remove the sticker, and then put it on. That is the best. Also, this is adhesive promoter, so use it as well. So looking good. Let's go get the climate one and then the lower shift area, and this is gonna just transform this. It's already looking darker in here, which I love. I want darker Celica interior. Okay, let's work our way down. We're gonna hit this and this. There are so many pieces in this kit. You will love it. I mean, it goes, I got a piece here, you got a piece there, you got a piece there, there. Even got a piece up here. This will transform your car. A little expensive. No, not really. I don't think so. But when you're in your car, if you're now going to go with the TRD badge here, TRD badge here, and the carbon fiber kit, oh my gosh. This is totally new Celica, and we're just halfway through. Like I said, you have to be very careful. I am going to put the carbon fiber here, but it will remove that paint. So if like you want the number or the letters here, do not touch this with that adhesive mover. It is like rubbing alcohol. It will remove that glistening. So just do it on the places that the carbon fiber is going to cover. Don't do anywhere else. Warning, okay? Okay, about 40 minutes later, we have a complete carbon center console. Wow. That looks amazing. Okay, a couple more pieces. So this kit actually comes with a piece that it does come all the way up here. Pretty cool. That's optional if you want to do that because your armrest there. It also comes with the bezel, which I do want, so we'll put the bezel on. It does come with the kit for the dome light, which we absolutely run. If you need an LED, swing by MitchRay.com. All MitchRay.com, MitchRay, all this stuff. Go to MitchRay.com. And then, Mitch, what if you have an automatic? There you go. You can put that right on the automatic right there. So if that's something that you're interested in doing, you totally can. You could put that on automatic. Now, you won't need that. Look how beautiful that looks if you have an automatic. But currently, yeah, I do have an option for automatic. Your kit will come with it. You can use it if you need it. If you don't need it, discard it. Absolutely aesthetic. Very cool. Like that, you have a carbon fiber interior. Wow. So much better. Very aggressive. If you have an automatic, you'll have these little paddle shifters on the steering wheel. It comes with those, and then again, a piece that we're not going to be using, but it'll have the automatic carbon fiber with the gear selectors on there. So we're going to discard these, but oh my gosh, does that look amazing or what? That is awesome. Absolutely. So much better. Very aggressive. Very, very, very aggressive. Even got it right there. It's gonna look good. That looks good. I'm super happy. Available now, MitchRay.com. I love that this kit actually goes around the cup holders. I think that's very aesthetic. Very nice, very up class looking. Total time about 1 hour to install. Be diligent, be thorough, be detailed, line it up correctly. You can pull it off and then put it back on, but don't do it maybe once or twice. Don't do it too many times, and then post heat everything, which you just go back over with the hair dryer. You can use a heat gun, and then just press it down and make sure that you have a nice adhesive application. And then if you have some sun, go park it out in the sun and let it get more tacky. I do not really recommend doing this on a cold winter day. Do it during summer months or in a heated garage. But truth be told, as long as you got that hair dryer, you're good to go. The darker interior, but I just took it up another level. If you do not have the later version and you want one, even with your 2000 to 2002, this will make a bigger difference because your guys is even brighter, like lighter color. This will look amazing and pop. I just showed my fiance and she says, dang, that looks so much better. It looks so expensive. It does. Absolutely worth it. Take your time, be detailed, and upgrade your Celica today. That is amazing. Enjoy this video as always. I do pretty good detailed, thorough things. Swing by MITSUBISHI.com if you want this. We do need to do the Toyota Celica straight pipe, get some more turbo noise like when I first got it. So we will be cutting out that TRD exhaust. I might do it this weekend, to be honest, and then we'll roll around with a straight piped 2ZZ turbo. It's not gonna be as loud as just like a normal 2ZZ naturally aspirated. It's turbo, there's still turbo there. It will be louder and we'll make more turbo noises. So I'm excited to do that and to get rid of that rattling noise on it. But make sure to like, subscribe, swing by MITSUBISHI.com. I'll see you guys next video, hopefully with some of this. Definitely doing some FRS stuff. I'm bringing the FRS back to the channel. Like, subscribe, swing by MITSUBISHI.com. See you guys in the next video.